Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spacious 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom house with a helper's quarter. It is situated on over half an acre of lush land, adorned with fruit trees. This property offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience in a secure, gated community at Palm Grove, Ocean Ridge, St. Mary. Enjoy the beauty of nature with over half an acre of land, featuring a variety of fruit trees that create a serene and picturesque environment. Two garages provide ample space for your vehicles and storage needs. Take a dip in the inviting swimming pool, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Two of the bedrooms are equipped with air conditioning, ensuring a cool and comfortable living environment. The property boasts a remote gate entry system, offering ease of access and enhanced security. The entire property is fully walled, providing privacy and peace of mind. This home is perfect for families or individuals seeking a tranquil and serene living space with ample outdoor room to enjoy. Don't miss out on this exceptional rental opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 1,900, Jamaican 299.7 thousand, Canadian 2,720, Euro 1,745, or 1,477 pounds. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.